Takže vyberám si na tento zápas. Absolútne netuším, dáme, že takto a takto. A nebudeme ísť zostaviť, nebudem sa s tým vôbec a ideme na to a nabudený som. Ja mám jednohviezdičkový tým proti dvojhviezdičkovému. To je celkom rozdiel v týchto malých hviezdičkách, pretože jednohviezdičkový tým je jak Brezová v 8. lige. Takže tak by som to nepovedal. Napríklad teraz som chcel nahrať brankárovi a typek nahral hráčom. Ten brankár nevie ani trtku, podľa mňa si myslím. Takže môžeš, neviem, otočíme hru nejako. Pozri čo, prečo bežal od lopty, mi vysvetlí. Tak chudák je? Alebo áno. Pozeraj, nič nebude, čo si oni myslia o sebe. Jako, ne. Vôbec, teraz mu takýto dribbling, you know, bro. I'm going to dribble like this, and he doesn't know where he is, bro. You know. Pass it, pass, another fucking missed the pass, bro. You can pass, hey, what are you doing here? Yeah, go to the second division Premier League, yeah. You're too bad, bro. My English is so good that I can comment the Premier League, yes. They give me, Premier League commentators, they text me, and hey Samo, do you wanna comment Premier League matches? And I said, brother, do you think I'm stupid? I'm from Slovakia and you wanna comment Premier League from me? And they say, yeah, you're so good in English and we appreciate the new commentators because the fans are really bored of the same voices and we need new commentators. A ideme dostať gól. A potom jazyk. So I will think about it, yeah, and I will call you next week. Because my mom, I don't know if my mom let me go to England and live there, yeah, from my own money that will be from commentating. And they said, okay, little man, bro, you gonna call me next week. I will wait for your call. And I said, yeah, bro. Okay. I will call you and we will probably, I hope that we will sign a contract with me. You will sign a contract with me, and I will be commenting Manchester United versus City, and I will be not fair because we concede second goal. You know, you can see. And my English is so good, yeah, that I can comment this whole match, will be commenting, and some English fans can watch my video because my English is so good, and you can fuck yourself if you can't understand English, yeah, because everybody should know English these days, because without English you can't move on, you can't travel, you can't do anything, because the old people in Slovakia can speak English and everything is in English, you know, and you can't live without English, you know, and you need to learn English, yeah, so some young people who are watching me, learn English. Jako uč sa tú angličtinu. Pretože proste to budeš potrebovať, you know. And what if my mom know kind of English like hello, one beer please, and yes, this motherfucker. to nevie povedať. Ale proste, you know, my dad knows English for 70%, maybe 50%. You know, like some basic communication, yeah. And for some better communication, which they can't understand, I need to listen to the guy who's talking to me, and then I need to remember everything and translate it to my mom and dad. Yes, so it's hard. You can't travel when you can't speak English. Yeah, my grandma is she's so playful. She needs to travel. She wants to travel because it's beautiful, yeah. And she is bored at home because she don't work, yeah. She's on dôchodok, and we concede a third goal, and it's not good. And she can't speak English. And my grandpa doesn't speak English too, and they can't travel to the zahraničie. Chápeš? Takže som vyprával i kokos už 10 minút po anglicky. Alebo koľko. 50 minút a vyprávam celý čas po anglicky. So let's speak English and let's sústrediť sa na zápas, pretože vyprávam tu jak drbo po anglicky furt a nesústredím sa na zápas a prehrávam 3-0. Krupica. Takže let's go, motherfuckers, and let's hype it up, yeah? We're gonna win. I don't know what team I'm playing. I don't fucking care, but I didn't even look at the team name when I picked it, because why, bro? I don't care what team I have, because I'm still not gonna win, because we are losing 3-0, but yeah, we're fucked up, bro. We're playing Champions League and we're fucked up. And imagine an one-star team versus two-star team playing in the UEFA Champions League. Imagine that. How's that possible? It's not possible. The worst team that played was the, I don't know what's called, but it has jak sa povie obdĺžnik po anglicky? Však to je square a obdĺžnik ja neviem jak. To je jedno. Ten obdĺžnikový a oni majú hento a tamto a vieš, chápeš. No. So we are going to dribble this and we are open to go, and this motherfucker can score because he's so bad. He's so bad, motherfucker. What you doing with your life, bro? I'm better than you. And you are in FIFA, so I appreciate it. And yes. I got nothing to say anymore. So let's comment this match. So the black team is attacking and we are so bad at defense that we can defend, yeah. And the goalkeeper made the save, but it was so shit save that I could save it with my balls, you know. Look at this. What was the strela? Like, what was the finish? Yeah, I would save it with my balls. Yes, for sure. It's 82 minutes, 80. Jak sa to povie? 82 minutes. Však tak asi. So, we are do studeného vodníka. Jasné, že zás mi to prestalo nahrávať a ja som si to nedonahral ten klip. Ja si myslím, že by som mohol si založiť nový kanál, kde budem vyprávať po anglicky iba. Baví ma to, čo ja viem. Takže vyhrali debili a Čaute.